Why don't we make a green pozole soup today? This is a Mexican chicken soup and it gets its green color from poblanos, jalapenos, and cilantro and tomatillos. This soup is absolutely fantastic. Let's make it. We're gonna start by making our chicken stock for our pozole. I have 4 chicken thighs in here that have the bone in and the skin. I'm going to add a handful of thyme, a small carrot, which I just washed and cut in half. I have a piece of celery and some celery leaves that we're gonna put in here. Piece of onion, garlic cloves, which I peeled and smashed. And I'm adding 2 mini sweet peppers. You can use bell pepper, just a piece of bell pepper. Gonna add a couple bay leaves. And I'm going to cover this with water and let it simmer for about 20 minutes until our chicken is cooked. When you start getting foam, just go ahead and skim it. Just make sure you don't take any of those nice herbs or veggies out of there, okay? And just throw that away. All right, we're gonna let this finish cooking and we will finish our soup. I have 2 poblano chilies. These are the poblanos, in case you don't know them, that I seeded and stemmed and cut in 4, okay? I have 2 jalapenos, I did the same. I have a big bunch of cilantro, 8 tomatillos. When you buy tomatillos, they normally come in a husk. You have to take off the husk and wash them. They are pretty sticky. 3 garlic cloves in there, and a piece of onion. Don't take off the stems for your cilantro. That is loaded in flavor. That stuff is super fresh. All right, I'm going to put all of this in the blender and blend it nice and smooth and come back. So I'm skimming off the excess fat from the top of my broth. We don't want a greasy pozole, but I do like the flavor that the skin and the bone gives our broth, so. All right, that's good. Now we're going to pass this through a sieve, get rid of all the solids, and come back. I put all those blended chilies and tomatillos into this pan. I would say that I added about 1.5 cups of water in total. There's no oil in this, by the way. We're gonna cook this for about 10-15 minutes until we have a nice, vibrant sauce. I'm gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, some oregano, and if you can find Mexican oregano, that would be the best. Mejor. And now I'm gonna add salt. I did not salt the chicken stock, so don't skimp on the salt. At any rate, it's better to have to add salt than take it out, so don't exaggerate. We are going to mix this and let this, as I said, cook for about 15 minutes on medium heat. Can you see how the green has changed color? This is ready. We are going to now put it in the pot with our strained stock. I'm gonna add the chicken now. This is about the size that I like my chicken when I make this soup. And I'm going to add Mexican hominy to this. This is a can that's 1 pound and 9 ounces, 709 grams. I drained it and we'll add the hominy. And here we go. Okay. All right, we are going to taste this for salt. It does need more salt. We're gonna let this soup finish cooking. We're gonna let those flavors meld, and oh my gosh, this is one of my favorite soups ever. This is ready. I can't even tell you how good it smells. It's amazing. All right, let's serve it. Now we're gonna add our toppings. I'm going to start with avocado, nicely diced. Normally this is served with either green cabbage or iceberg lettuce. I want to give it a little color, so I'm gonna put some purple cabbage on here. I'm gonna add some finely diced radish and some finely diced red onion. You can use white if you want. And of course, some lime. Oof. All right, let's taste this. Oh my gosh, that is so good. This soup is really something special, guys. You have that vibrance of the cilantro in there. I know some people hate it, and I'm sorry if you're one of them, but this is so good. And then, of course, you've got a little kick from the chilies, which is an added bonus. This is really, really nice. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you really liked it and you give me a like. If you haven't subbed, please sub. Turn on the notification button so that you are notified when we have new videos. I'll see you soon.